Hello everybody, previously on my channel I did unboxing of iWOWNfit i6HR Smart Band, and now we have new model available, which is i6HRC. So in this video I am going to show you differences between them and some similarities as well. In the i6HR box we can find the band and the user manual, while in the i6HRC we can find the band, user manual, as well as additional bracelet. And because they are the same sizes, you can switch the bracelet from one to another. In fact, the only difference between these two models is that HRC comes in color display, while HR comes in only black and white display. Everything else is completely the same, so they both support smart notification like reading SMS, seeing incoming calls, calendar, track your daily activity from steps to heart monitoring, adding alarm, activate the band for different sport activities like running, biking, playing basketball, tennis, etc. One more difference I forgot to mention is that HRC has the reminder to move, so it has sedentary reminder, and in the new HRC they are recommending to use iWOWNfit Pro, while on the old one I have been using only iWOWNfit application. To choose between different modes of smart band you have three basic operations. That is, slide the screen up and down to switch the mode and to wake up the screen, tap the screen to switch the type between the modes, that is to see more option of that mode, and long press, that is to confirm that option. To charge the band or to replace the bracelet, you need to find this side where it's written open, and then open it like this, and then remove the watch. Then you can charge it by plugging in directly to your PC, or simply put it in your power bank if you have one. Both smart bands are water resistant. As you can see here, I tried and everything works. However, I would recommend that after using them with water, dry them and clean them nicely. As you can see, heart monitor on both of the bands is pretty accurate, and if you want to be as accurate as possible, tighten the band closely to your arm while measuring the heart rate. However, during the normal usage you should release a band. There should be a little bit space between your arm and the band so the air can go through and your arm will not sweat. To change the watch interface you go to the dial, long press on the dial, and then switch between interfaces by tapping, and then again long press to choose the dial style you want. Battery life on both bands is between 5 to 7 days, so I would recommend that you buy this newer one with color display because it looks much better. That will be all for this video. If you want to order these bands, you can find the link below, and you can get even special discount if ordering through these affiliate links. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.